Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Is Daddy not allowed in anymore?
Okay.
Okay.
Where's Daddy?
Can Daddy get out now?
Daddy's been in that house for a long time, sweetie. At least 20 minutes.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
Has Daddy been bad?
Okay.
Oh. Is
I
Daddy
guess
in a
Daddy has been
timeout?
bad.
Is Daddy in a timeout?
Hello.
Hello.
Kaden? Kaden, do you want to let Daddy out?
Don't poke me in the eye.
Okay.
Okay, let Daddy out.
Help.
Give Daddy kisses.
Aww.
Daddy's crying. He wants out.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Oh.